welcome to another episode of Boat Watch. We're heading to the Boynton Beach Inlet. Stay tuned. Welcome to another Fun in the Sun video. It's the Boat Watch series here on the Manny Moto Channel. Amazing Grace and decided to make a U-turn, and he's heading back in. Amazing Grace, the name of that boat. Alright. So one that made a U-turn, and we got another one coming this way. But first, this guy. There he is. The sun is glaring. It's hard to see the screen right now, but I got him. And we have an outbounder coming this way. Each county's finest. Alright, this guy. Giveaway. Palm Beach Sheriff's Office, PBSO.
You're watching the Boat Watch series here on the Manny Moto Channel.
Yep. When I first got here, it was windy and rainy. Now, it's warm and sticky. Hanging out under the shade. Making Memories, the name of this boat. Oh, Making Memories 2. Excuse me. Oh, and again, a bunch of inbounders at the moment. And we will, and one, hold on. Whoa. And this guy. Now this guy just went out, and he's coming back in already. Maybe going for a little joyride, probably. I wonder how many of these guys come in, like enter the ocean out in Palm Beach, and then cruise down south, and then come back in to Boynton Beach. It is a definite possibility. Alright, now this, I believe, is a bait boat. And we got another guy coming in behind him. Whoa, how are we going to get both at the same time? Oh, let's see. I'm going to go with the bait boat first. And we'll get this guy, sailfish. There we go, we get both at the same time. South Lake Worth Inlet, Ocean Inlet Park, Palm Beach County. Mako. Whoa, and this guy, Angle Drop, name this guy. Oh yeah. Suzuki powered vessel. Look how that water is just glistening out there. Alright, here comes this guy, Making Memories 2. He's heading back out. I don't know what he's listening to. I can't really make it out.
The South Lake Worth Inlet, referred to by locals as the Boynton Beach Inlet, connects the Lekw Worth Lagoon with the Atlantic Ocean.
Whoa! Hold on. Whoa! Blue Pearl, the name of this guy. I was waiting for the big fishing charters to come in as I was hanging out here at the end of the jetty. I do see Lady K out there, but I don't think Lady K is heading in yet. But I see him out there. Oh yeah, we get this guy. Oh, cool. Yes. I'm getting such a glare right now on camera, it's hard to see, but I'm kind of taking a guess, but it looks like I got him. Yeah. Comes Deep Blue. We got him coming in earlier. He's heading back out. Waiting for some of the big vessels to come in. Lady K's out there, C-3's out there, and Living on Island Time's out there. Yeah, right, who's this? Huh? What's the name of this guy? Oh, Betsy. Okay, I've seen him, Betsy. B-E-T-S-E-A, and we got this guy. Whoa. Got a lot of recreational traffic at the moment. Alright, here we go. Tidewater. And I think that's a sea fox. Maybe. Oh, Santa's Fox. Yeah, the name of the boat. Sea Fox used to be the manufacturer. Yep. Alright. Yeah. So we caught this vessel heading out about a couple seconds ago. And they're coming back in. Yep. Are we getting a wave? Oh yeah. Starting to feel some raindrops. Yeah. I think the raindrops are coming from up there. A rogue rain cloud. Yes, happens a lot in Florida. Rogue raindrops. And you gotta figure out where they came from. Alright. Scout right there. I lost my spot under the bridge. That's alright. I'm also feeling the sun and raindrops at the same time. Tighten right here. Here comes Labrador again, heading back out. Caught him coming in, and we catching him going back out. And we got another inbounder coming in right here. We'll catch this guy. Oh yeah, there you go. Labrador. Yeah, I've been seeing this guy around lately. Meanwhile, catching a bunch of little guys. Blue water. I like filming from this spot right here. A little tricky, and I gotta make sure I don't drop the camera into the water, but you get some good shots. So I've been filming all morning for 2 videos worth of clips. It might be 3, and I'm definitely over 150 clips, probably hitting the 200 mark at this point. So if I was to drop the camera, would not be good. Seabird is the name of this guy. Yeah, CV. And he's calling himself Seabird. Alright, so as soon as Lady K comes in, Seamus 3 should be coming in right after him. And then hopefully we catch Living on Island Time before we call her out today. That's the whole plan. Whoa, look at this, look at this. Alright. Beep beep. Beep beep, man. Whoa. Wow. Alright, just spotted Lady K. He's about to enter the inlet. And I also see Miss 3 out there as well. Oh yeah, and these guys. There comes C Miss 3. He's heading in. Alright. Here we go, Lady K. Yes, we are recording. Alright. Want to make sure. Nothing worse than missing a shot. Lady K on his way to Lantana. So the one thing about filming on an iPhone is make sure you don't accidentally switch it to slow-mo. Okay. And then Antares. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah, CMS 3 is out there. He's gonna be heading this way any minute. Stand by. Alright, we're catching this guy. Happy together. Yeah, man. And Living on Island Time is coming in behind him. So Living on Island Time is coming in first before CMS 3. Alright, Living on Island Time. Here we go. Give a wave, of course. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, these fishing charters, they stay out there for a few hours, so. Alright, see if we can catch this guy. And then we got a bunch of inbounders coming. Oh, alright, he's hitting the brakes. Alright. Alright, hold on, buddy, because, yeah. I want to get this guy. Yeah. Money shot. There you go. Yep. So the cool thing about using an iPhone is that when you're on iMovie on your Mac and you click on titles and you click on date and time, it'll actually insert the date and the time that you filmed for each clip. So yeah, neat little feature. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. The moment we've been waiting for, CMS 3. I wonder out of all the fishing charters out here, which one is the most popular? But I'm gonna think CMS 3, but just saying. There he goes. Totally cool, man. Totally cool. And we got another inbounder creeping in. There you go. Perfect way to wrap up this presentation. Yep. I don't even know what time it is, but I've definitely been down here for at least 4 hours. It just flew by, to be honest. Hey, thank you for watching today's presentation. I'm Mr. Manny for the Manny Moto Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This one is in the book.